Before getting to the topic, let's do a small quiz first. Can you tell if the following words or sentences are spoken in Japanese or in Chinese? Yashoku, yasho. Budo, budo. Atsumo wa atashi wa. For the first two words, they were both first pronounced in Japanese and then in Shanghainese. Shanghainese is a dialect of Chinese, and the third sentence is in Shanghainese. Growing up in Shanghai, many people, including me, found that Japanese shares many similarities with Shanghainese in pronunciation.
喂，さくらの方、久しぶり。야 무슨 너 그 상元気？没好没好。我でも元気だよ。你在何してんの？
It sounds just like one language, right? Shanghai and Japan are geographically close. Would it be possible that they are originated from the same language? The answer is no. Shanghainese belongs to the Sino-Tibetan language family, and Japanese is from Japonic family. Then what else can explain the similarity? Here's two possible reasons I found. The first reason lies in the pitch accent both Shanghainese and Japanese have. Pitch accent language will have a prominent syllable indicated by a contrasting pitch. You can see there are similar patterns of pitch accent. Therefore, Shanghainese and Japanese sound similar due to pitch accent and sound similar on sentence level, known as intonation. Let's switch gears to look at the words level. We will look at the brief history of loanwords in Japanese. There's a group of loanwords in Japanese called Sino-Japanese vocabulary. It is the portion of Japanese vocab that originated in Chinese or has been created from elements borrowed from Chinese. Japanese borrowed many Chinese characters, and the pronunciation of those Chinese characters in Japanese can be classified into onyomi and koyomi. Onyomi refers to the pronunciation based on original Chinese pronunciations, and a subpart of onyomi is called gu. The gu here stands for wu. Just look at the name of the reading system, we can tell that the system is borrowed from Wu Chinese. Wu Chinese is a group of linguistically similar and historically related Sinitic languages. The Sinitic languages are mainly spoken in Shanghai and Zhejiang province. In a small quiz differentiating Shanghainese and Japanese, there's a perfect example for gu. Grape in Japanese is written in Chinese characters, and the pronunciation is almost the same in Shanghainese and Japanese. In the word budo, both syllables begin with a voiced stop. It is unique in Wu Chinese because in Mandarin, both syllables will start with voiceless stops, and the pronunciation goes like putao. Another example of borrowing Wu Chinese reading into Japanese is the use of palatal nasal when pronouncing day in Japanese and Shanghainese. In Shanghainese, it goes like and in Japanese, nihon. Using this voiced palatal nasal in the onset is also unique in Wu Chinese. In Mandarin, the same word will start with a voiced alveolar approximant, and the pronunciation goes like 日子. Summarizing the two explanations, pitch accent and Wu Chinese readings borrowed by Japanese loanwords are the possible underlying reasons for the similarities between Shanghainese and Japanese. There are definitely more complicated reasons behind to be explored. Maybe they do come from the same language because Sino-Tibetan, the language Shanghainese is originated from, is the family for more than 400 languages. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.